Last year, children and young people across Ireland were asked to talk about the Ireland of today and reimagine the Ireland of tomorrow. Firstly, we discussed what makes our country great.
I like the landscapes and the old buildings.
Gay rights and holidays.
The fact that so many people are proud to be Irish.
We have good food, we've got health.
We're very friendly and we're peaceful.
While all kinds of answers were given, one food type seemed to have a starring role.
I like that it's very multicultural and shepherd's pie.
Home of the spuds. People love spuds. It's our famous food.
Our national language is a part of who we are, and lots of us felt it was an important part of our identity.
Sé sús daoine chun gaeilge chur chun céin agus chun é chuinál beag is í part our culture agus sé sús daoine agus go háirithe múntóir í bolton chun é I múna ceart agus chun é sppraga páistí beaga.
Even if you find Irish challenging, it's still great to hear Irish being spoken well because you're proud of the fact that your country still has managed to maintain.
Of course, we also talked about what we'd like to change about where we live.
I didn't like the way that there was homeless people sitting around the streets and people just ignoring them.
The education system, there's small things where it's like if this was done just a slightly different way, it would benefit everyone.
Definitely easier access to mental health services.
Less bullying.
As well as what our hopes are for the future.
I'd like to see Ireland being more sustainable.
My kids will live in an environment where we will not be judged by the colour of our skin, but by the contents of our character.
We talked about the Easter Rising and how it was an important event but also a sad one. 100 years on, we talked about what it means to us now and how we could remember it.
We decided to do a playground which will be aimed at remembering the young people from the Rising.
I think it's very good that we got independence because most countries are and we finally have.
I think it was great that we got our independence, but I only found out today that a good amount of children died.
I think at the end of these conversations, we realised that the future is in our hands and that it is a bright future for the children and young people of Ireland.
Young people's voices are heard more now than they used to be.
I think it's good to focus more on the future than on the past because what matters is what we do next.